Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. For today's recipe, I decided to go with some M&M cookies. I decided to use the red and green M&Ms to keep it with the theme of the festivities for the holidays. They're great for gift giving. At the end of the video, I will show you a little bit of some gift wrapping that you can use if you decide to give these away as gifts. They make wonderful gifts. People just love things that you make from the heart. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Laura, where I post cooking and baking videos at least twice a week. If you are a regular here, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Don't forget, if you like our content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do for this recipe is we are going to mix our dry ingredients. Here I have some flour, some baking soda, some salt, and some baking powder. Give this a mix. Okay, and now we are going to start with our sugar. So I have white sugar, I have brown sugar, I have a stick of butter, and we're going to beat this until fluffy. Okay, we're going to stop the machine. We are going to add our egg and our vanilla, and we're going to mix it again. Okay, now that we have everything mixed up here, we are going to turn the mixer on low and start adding the flour a little bit at a time. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. It's not quite mixed, but what I want to do is knock everything off the sides and the bottom so that I could add the M&Ms and we don't have to over mix the dough. Okay, I'm going to add the M&Ms and give it a mix. Okay, and it's ready, just like that. Okay, we're going to start rolling these, and I'm going to show you how I place them on the cookie sheets. Okay, here I put the dough in a smaller bowl so you could see what I was doing. I have my cookie tray lined with some parchment paper. I have some extra M&Ms here that we might use for the tops, and a cookie scoop. This is my size that I like to use. I think it's a teaspoon and a half if I'm not mistaken. I'll look for the size and I'll link it for y'all below. And then you just start making your cookies into little balls. Push them down just a little bit. And if you want to, you can add some more M&Ms on top so that you could see them. But that's up to you. I like a lot of M&Ms, so we're going to put some more on here. Just put them on top and press them down just a little bit. I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I think that's it here. Okay, there we go. There are the cookies. Look at how colorful those are. I am going to pop them in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. It depends. I'll be right back. Alright guys, the cookies are out of the oven. They're already cooled down. They were in there for 12 minutes. You need to check your oven. Everybody's is different. Make sure that your temperature is correct. And these came out so nice. Look at that. All red and green. You can see them. If you put them on a plate, look at how cute that looks on a red plate. Look at that. That's so cute. I'm going to show you some packaging that I have. I showed some the other day with the bombs, the little boxes that you can use to package these up. If you want to give some cookie gifts, I have two sizes. I always keep these on hand because I'm always making something for somebody. And the presentation is everything. Now on these little ones, you can put your cookies, line them up like this. And I think we can fit 10 in here. Yeah, 10. And there you go. Look at that. Just put a little bow on it, a name tag for somebody, and that is the cutest thing. If you bought this at the bakery, you would be paying more than $6 for this, for sure. And you can make them at home for just about, for pennies on the dollar. And then if you want to do them, like if you want to package 1.5 dozen on these, you can just lay these out. You could just lay them out like that, and you could easily get 1.5 dozen in this box. And you know this would cost you. And look at how pretty the presentation is on that for gift giving. Okay guys, that is going to conclude the video for today. Let's go ahead and try one of these cookies. I was handling them with my hand because I'm not giving these away. These are staying here with me. Okay guys, let's take a taste from this cookie. I've been dying to taste it since they came out of the oven. Very nice. Crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. Not overly sweet. Very good. I hope you give it a try. Something fun for the holidays. Okay guys, that's going to conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and share the video with family and friends. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.